What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Not great, I'm assuming. It is Friday, December 3rd, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What's up, Low Roller? We getting wrecked today. Yeah, that's why we're doing the show from Armenistan. Everything wrecked. Actually, to close the stock market closed pretty strong here. I mean, it's still a pretty bad day overall, but stock market closed pretty strong. Crypto, I mean, there's no close, but crypto in the last couple hours here is getting good. Is really getting wrecked here. I was gonna put up the Peter Tuchman meme, but I don't have it on this scene. It's on my webcam scene. But yeah, crypto is really bad. Stock market is really bad, but it was a lot worse. So I guess that's a bright spot. Stock market finished pretty strong end of the day here, but still overall, yeah, red day all around. Nasty week. But thanks for being here. Appreciate you, dude. I have to sell my AMC CEI NRXP at a loss. I have to buy risky investment. Hood Zoom. I think you mean Zoom. And $1 a Dogecoin. Yeah, I mean, everything's going down. AMC, CEI, NRXP, Robinhood, Zoom, and Doge, everything's going down. So, sorry to hear that, man. But, hey, we're all in it together. Everyone's getting wrecked here today. But, yeah, today we're doing the show from Armenistan. Yeah, like I just said, all the major stock markets in the red. Crypto's in the red. Really nasty day today, all around. I mean, really nasty week, but it continues. Oh, I think you mean Zom. I thought you meant Zoom, like the video thing. Sorry about the sirens, guys. Zom? Oh, Zomedica. Okay. Yeah, I thought you meant Zoom. But yeah, don't know too much about Zomedica, but I have heard of it before. I did hear about this stock before, but I really don't know too much about it. I should have sold my AMC at $70. Yeah, dude. Well, that was the high. Everyone should, but, you know, everyone believes in diamond hands.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
No, guys, when it comes to meme stocks, options, all this good stuff, diamond hands is not the way. So, yeah, should have sold AMC at $70. But, hey, nobody really sold, and everyone's getting wrecked right now. But, yeah, guys. So, first of all, my apologies. I did not have the show set up until, 10, the actual stream set up. In terms of YouTube, it wasn't up until 10 minutes ago. I thought I had it up yesterday, apparently not. But yeah, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And we have two articles today, two pieces of news. One about one's an update on the new variant, the Omicron. I don't know how you actually say it. I think it's Omicron. Anyway, or Omnicron, I don't even know. Then we got Munger, an article about Charlie Munger, and Bitcoin and crypto. He's going off on crypto again, so fun stuff. And today for the analysis, we'll be going over AMC. That was number 1 on StockTwits today. Then we have DocuSign, DOCU, and then finally CFVI. So, yeah, AMC was number 1 today. DocuSign getting wrecked today, down 40-something%. We'll get to that. That was also trending top 10. And then CFVI we talked about yesterday, still trending, so we'll do that again. So, and there was a lot of honorable mentions. There was Alibaba, Neo, Oxygen, a lot of things to talk about. But I didn't really want to talk about the Chinese stuff. So we're going to stick with AMC, DocuSign, and CFVI. So this shouldn't take too long. Hopefully not. But, you know, I welcome the fans coming in, the community coming in and chatting. You know, if you guys come in and chat a lot, that's fine. We can do a long show. But it really shouldn't take too long today. And for the Yolos, I did not have time to get set up today, so we're going to have to wing the Yolos today. My apologies, guys. I thought I would have enough time, but I was doing DocuSign TA and couldn't really get to that. So if you guys want, you can look at some Yolos and link it here. But if not, we'll just wing it. So, yeah, my apologies again about that. Pretty unprofessional, but other than that, great show for you guys today. What's up, Monir? Nice to see you as well. Hope you're doing okay today. Everyone's getting wrecked. So, yeah, glad to have you here, as always, dude. Appreciate you. The new virus pumping today and then dump hard. Oh, that's the that's the meme coin. All right, we'll take a look at that. But yeah, guys, let's get started. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, let's do it. Boom. All right. So let's go over the stock market. So the Dow Jones finishes down 0.17%. The Nasdaq finishes down 1.74%, and the S&P 500 finishes down 0.84%. Oh, I got the meme on this page. Is it this one? Yep. That's the mood today. But, like I said before, this was down a lot more. The Nasdaq was down like 2.5%. The S&P was down like 1.5%. Dow Jones was down a lot too. So, nasty day, but in the afternoon, a couple hours ago, this was a lot worse. So, all things considered, I guess we can't complain, but still really, really bad. Yeah, big bloodbath in the stock market today. The VIX is up 9%, 9.23%. VIX is over 30 again. Nasty stuff. All right, let's go over the watch list today. So really not too much in the green here, but we have Zillow up 11.32%. I wonder why. That's interesting. Viacom is up 5.11% for some reason. Walgreens, 4.28%. Discovery is up. Pfizer is up. Looks like some of these phone companies are up. I don't know why. AT&T and T-Mobile for some reason. So it looks like streaming services are up. Yeah, Viacom, Fox, Discovery. Then we got the vaccine stocks. Moderna is up today. Pfizer is up today. Not by much, though. Yeah, Verizon. These phone companies are up for some reason. Anything else? Not really. Yep. So really not too much in the green today, but the stuff leading the way is streaming services, phone companies, communications, I guess you can classify that as, and vaccine stocks. That's it. Everything else in the red here. Are you ready to buy Shiba Inu? Your price target almost. It tanked to 38. Well, it still has a little bit more to go to 25, but yeah. I'm ready to buy at 25. Crypto's looking nasty right now. So if it keeps up, maybe I hold off lower than 25, but yeah, crypto's really bad right now. All right, on to the red side, which is pretty much everything. Nasty stuff here. Let's take a look. So, definitely a lot of red here today is led by China. A lot of, like, pretty much every Chinese stock getting wrecked here. And crypto stocks now. So, let's take a look. Number one loser is Didi. That's down 22% today. Because it's getting delisted. So, I don't know why it's still trading. But, yeah, Didi is getting wrecked today. Li Auto, so yeah, all Chinese stocks, but Chinese EVs getting wrecked. Li Auto down 16%. Marathon, which is a Bitcoin exposure stock, down 15%. A lot of meme stocks here. GREE, PHUN, Prague, 15%, 13%. Those are down a lot. Riot, that's another Bitcoin stock there, 13%. DATS, Express, meme stocks there, down 12%. Neo, another Chinese EV, 11.2%. Robinhood, 11%. ATER, Mark, A and Y, all meme stocks, down 10%. This is nasty, nasty stuff here. Why am I lagging? Lagging a little bit here. That's all right. We'll just go with it. Damn, DraftKings. What the hell, DraftKings? Bro, DraftKings is down below 30 now. What the hell? Below 29. It's pushing 28 now. That is crazy. That's down 9.36%. Disgusting. XPeng, another Chinese EV, down 9.3%. ALF, CSPR, Ocugen, all meme stocks down 8% there. It is what it is. Yeah, what's up, PZ? It is what it is, right? Good. Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. That is good news for Bitcoin contract. For mine, yes and no, because I got like, what, 4 weeks here to go? Yeah, like 28 days. So it looks good in terms of it's not going to hit 75K, but I don't want it to go down this much. Ideally for me, it's going to finish right below 75K. So I actually do want it to go up, just not above 75K. I don't want it to go down this much. This is pretty much where I sold them at 3 months ago, at around 50K. So yes and no. It is good in terms of, like, it will expire worthless, like, most definitely now, probably. But I don't want it to go down that much. But that's the beauty of, selling options. You hedge your bets, and either way it goes, you win. I hope I make the right decision in buying Hood. I didn't know you were Robin Hood, dude. I think you have a little bit. You bought it recently. Long term, it's a good hold. Long term, it's a good hold. But it's like low-key a meme stock. Not even low-key. It's a straight-up meme stock. And, yeah, not doing great right now. What's up, Marvin? Yeah, people starting to come in here. Appreciate you guys. Please smash the like button, guys. Would appreciate that. What's good? Nothing. Nothing is good right now. Everything is real bad. But, hey, appreciate you, man. We can complain about it together. Are you planning to buy DraftKings? I'm glad I got out of DraftKings a few weeks ago. I do like the stock a lot. I've used DraftKings, and I love their platform. I think they're going a little bit crazy with their marketing budget right now. But I was in DraftKings. I bought at 40 and sold at 55, and now it's down to 28. So I have no immediate plans to buy DraftKings, but if it dips enough, then sure. I do like the stock a lot. But as of right now, no immediate plans to buy DraftKings. All right. So yeah, Neo was an honorable mention. Didi was an honorable mention. And Ocugen was an honorable mention. All of those were trending top 10 on StockTwits. Alibaba was an honorable mention. So I couldn't really decide what to talk about today. But I just went with like the top stuff: AMC, DocuSign, and CFVI. But yeah, a lot of these Chinese stocks, honorable mentions. I really don't want to talk about this Chinese stuff because you can't really do TA on it. I mean, you can, but it's not going to make a difference, really. And a lot of these are like 3-year lows. So yeah, decided not to talk about any Chinese stuff today. But there are a lot of honorable mentions: Alibaba, Neo, and Didi. But yeah, moving on. Damn it, Alibaba is down to 112 now. Holy crap, it's going to 100. That is so disgusting. All right, what else we got here? More memes. Plug, CEI, down 8%. Baidu, another Chinese EV car company there, down 8%. MicroStrategy, crypto stock there, getting wrecked, 7.66%. XCLA, SoFi, meme stocks down 7.5% there. Damn, SoFi's down to 15. What the hell? That's crazy. And XCLA is pushing $1. Oop, forgot to mute my phone here. My bad. At this point, BBIG is going back to 160. Sad ever sad. I did not see BBIG, but let's check it out shortly here. The rate it's going though, yeah, definitely. Zillow is going. Yeah, Zillow is the only thing up today. Well, pretty much. It's one of the stronger things today. 11%. That was the number one on my watch list. Besides the VIX. Alibaba going to 100. Also sad. Yeah, this is just straight up sad right now.
Bruh.
And it's gone. Everything is gone. Your aunt getting wrecked in Tilray? That's not my aunt. That's my grandma. Yeah, my grandma getting wrecked in Tilray. I mean, everyone's getting wrecked in everything, to be fair. But yeah, more meme stocks. Costs. Microvision. Down 7% there. Coinbase. Damn, Coinbase down 6.7%. Skills. A lot of these ARK stocks are getting wrecked. ARK is not doing too good. But Skills, damn, Skills is down to 8. What the hell? Tesla gotten wrecked today. 6.42%. Pushing 1,000 again. Yeah, Tilray pretty bad. 6.18%. Everything. Uber, Square, DoorDash. GME's down 5%. Yeah, more memes. GME, Workhorse, Naked. Getting wrecked. Yeah, Cannabis not doing well. Tilray, Sundial down. Virgin Galactic, more meme stocks. The Trump stocks going back down. PHUN and DWAC. Yeah, what's new? MMAT. So travel stocks going down, which they should be. Yesterday made no sense. Those were going up. But yeah, airlines, cruises going down. MMAT down 4.5%. I mean, nothing new there, but that's pushing $3. How sick is that? Nvidia, damn, Nvidia down 4.46%. Clover's down to 430. What the hell? This is bad. AMD down 4.43%. AMC didn't finish too bad. AMC did not finish too bad here. Because at the time that I literally, like, half hour ago, AMC was down 10%. And it recovered pretty quickly here at the end of the day. So maybe we won't talk about AMC. I don't know. It was number one. We'll decide it in a second here. But I only wanted to talk about AMC because it was down 10%. Now it's only down 4.19%. Lol. Almost 4.2%. 420%. So maybe we'll talk about something else. But I really don't want to talk about these Chinese stocks or Ocugen. So maybe we'll stick with AMC. But that is good to see. AMC it held up pretty well today. It was down a lot more. Alright, so yeah. What else we got here? BlackBerry. More meme stocks. Palantir still getting wrecked. That's below 19 now. Canopy Growth, another meme stock. Fubo. Another meme stock. Roblox. That's holding up pretty well, actually. So everything else is holding up okay. But yeah, major good day. Major bloodbath here. So definitely this is led by Chinese stocks, crypto stocks, and meme stocks, it seems like. Those are the stocks getting wrecked the most today. So yeah, definitely. Yeah, Chinese stocks, crypto, and growth are mostly what's bringing the market down today. The value stocks held up pretty well, all things considered. Still nasty, but they held up pretty well. So yeah, that is the stock market today, guys. All around good. And like I said before, it was a lot worse not too long ago, like an hour or two ago. So I guess it's a good thing. Strong close here to end the day, but still pretty nasty overall. So you know, hope you guys are holding up. We're all getting wrecked here the past week. IGEN slated today, so I have a little money in there. Yeah, I think you posted about it in Discord. Didn't really get a chance to take a look at it though. Oh, nice. Yeah, this did pretty good. Oh, it did really good. 137%. Yeah, I have no idea what this is. But yeah, congrats to you, Marvin. This is like, it's under a penny. Damn. Super penny stock here. But looks like RSI is getting pretty hot here. High volume. So yeah, I mean, that's a bright spot. So congrats to you, Marvin. And this is starting to get pretty scary here, so consider taking profits. Not financial advice, dude, but congrats to you. Glad you made some money. Why the Dow didn't go down much? Why the stock market's so hard? The Dow was down pretty hard before. I think like almost 1%. But yeah, the Dow held up pretty well. But like I said, the Nasdaq was down 2.5%. The S&P was down 1.5%. So they all recovered pretty well here at the end of the day. For some reason, at the end of the day here, everyone started buying. And the Dow wasn't as bad, but I think it was somewhere between. I think it was like down 0.75% earlier. I forgot what it was. GameStop get wrecked hard. Yeah, and AMC, all the memes getting wrecked hard. I wish I could say my account profit loss held up well, but I can't, lol. Well, you're not alone, dude. You're definitely not alone. I saw the person got lucky on DocuSign put options in Wallstreetbets. Well, you can link it if you want, low roller, like I said. And for everyone new that just came in, I did not have time to look through Wallstreetbets today. So so today for the Yolos, we're just gonna wing it once again. So my apologies for that, but if you guys want, you know, go ahead, go on Wallstreetbets, pick out the Yolos, link it here, and we can go over them together. IGEN had news today, government type news. Well, that would do it. Look at this person strike gold. Okay, low roller. Save that for later. We could definitely look at that later. But that sounds like they made some fat tendies there. But yeah, guys, that's the stock market. So let's move on to crypto now. And yeah, crypto was down a little bit before, but I literally looked like 15 minutes before the show started, and I'm like, what the hell happened? So it seems like it's recovering now, but I looked before, it was down over 7%. Now it's only 5.2, but yeah, crypto's getting wrecked here out of nowhere. Everything getting wrecked. All right, let's go over it. So here's crypto. That is down 5.2% today. Crypto was holding up pretty well. It was only down a little bit earlier, but yeah. Within the past few hours here, this has taken a major hit. So that sucks, but let's see what's going on here. We got Meta Doge up 18%. Shiba Games, okay. And My Team Finance, I don't know what that is, but that's up like 9 billion% right now. You gotta be kidding me. My Team Finance. Well, whoever bought this is rich now. Look at that chart. What the hell is this? Crazy stuff. Yeah, this is up 900 million% right now. 900 million%. Incredible, incredible. All right, on to the actual coins here. So all I see is red. Bitcoin down 5.65%, under 54K again. Ether down 6.8%, pushing 4,200. Binance down 4.35%, under 600. Solana down 9.65%. That's pushing 200. Cardano down 8.22%. XRP 5.18%. Dogecoin down 5%. Damn it. Come on, Dogecoin. Why are these not loading? Let me refresh here. Okay. Yeah, Dogecoin down 5.5%. Sheeb 3%. That's holding up pretty well. Crypto.com down 8.5%. Litecoin 7.5%. Chainlink 5%. Bitcoin Cash 5%. Cosmos, that's the only thing that's green so far, 13.75%. Ether Classic down 5%. Near Protocol, that's up 10.5%. This is pretty nasty all around. Right, look at that. Loopring is down 8%, down below 250 now. I think I saw Jasmine earlier today. It was at like 16. But let's sort this out. All I see is red. So there is some green here. Really not much. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 coins in the green here. 6 coins out of 100 in the green here.
Good.
And really only Cosmos, Near, and Polygon did well. There's Terra and Theta Fuel. Those are 5%. And Raven Coin. Yeah, only really 5 coins actually in the green here. And Raven Coin's only up 1.3%. So only like 5 coins actually had some decent gains today. Everything else in the red. So yeah, not much on the green side. Pretty nasty. Let's take a look at the red side. So yeah, so 95% of the coins here are in the red, but none of them had like extreme price action. So that's a bright spot. Not great, but there's a bright spot. Only Gala, Uniswap, Zcash, and Basic Attention are over 10% in the red here. Solana is the biggest loser in terms of like bigger market cap coins. That's down 9%. Then Crypto.com. Yeah, this is pretty nasty. Bloodbath in crypto. And it was not like this earlier this morning. Crypto was holding up pretty well. Right now, crypto getting wrecked. Everything getting wrecked right now. So, yeah. Sea of red. So, yeah, there's crypto, guys. Nasty stuff. So, hope you guys are holding up. Let me just run down this real quick. Everything in the red here. And it's everything. Value and growth. Everything is getting wrecked. Doge went under 20 earlier today. I was pretty pissed off about that, but it's over 20 again. Look at LCGY chart for me. Sure, dude. Let me just get done with the news first. Let's cover these 2 articles, then we can get to that. So yeah, let's move on to the news now, guys. A lot of YOLO DocuSign is getting rich in Wallstreetbets. Maybe we have to, maybe if there's enough, then I have to make a video about it. But, yeah, I should have seen it before, but, you know, I really had no time to do that. But, yeah, link a Muller roller. Link all those YOLOs. If there's enough, then I'll do a whole video on, DocuSign YOLOs. Oh, right. Forgot about that. Where is it? There it is. So the Omicron coin down 64% today. Damn. I mean, what'd you expect? This is a straight pump and dump. This is literally a pump and dump. So yeah, RIP to everyone who bought this. I knew this was gonna happen. Where's the yeah, RIP to everyone in this coin. That's pretty nasty. Alright, on to the news. So yeah, today we got two articles. One about the Omicron. Got an update here. We've been talking about this all week. But yeah, new update, more infections, and then we got one article about Charlie Munger and his dislike for crypto. Alright, so let's read. Nebraska, Maryland, and Pennsylvania all confirm Omicron cases as C19 variant spreads to 8 U.S. states. Uh-oh.
Bruh.
Yeah, so yesterday, you know, we talked about New York being the second state. Now it's in 8 states. Great. Key points. At least 8 U.S. states now have at least 20 cases of the highly mutated Omicron C19 variant after Nebraska, Maryland, and Pennsylvania all confirmed their infections Friday. This comes one day after at least 10 cases were confirmed in Minnesota, Colorado, New York, Hawaii, and California. Wow. The U.S. is among the list of 38 countries with confirmed cases of the Omicron variant, the WHO said on Friday. So, not good, not good. I mean, I guess we all kind of figured this would happen, but yeah, this is real. And it looks like lockdowns may be a real thing again. I remember yesterday, Joe Biden said he doesn't want to do it, but at this rate, we might have to. We might have to lock down again. I don't know. It's getting everywhere now. So, probably a big factor as to why market went down so much today. A lot of FUD. But this is getting pretty scary, guys. Probably gonna have to lock down again. C19 wave number 3. C19 3.0. I wish I bought those penny contracts on DocuSign yesterday. I'll turn $1 into $1,000. Yeah, but they're just that, lottery tickets. So, you know, some morons hit them on Wallstreetbets, but who would have thought? All right, moving on. So that's just an update on our situation here. Bad news, really bad news. Well, let's switch gears a little bit here. Got this article here about Charlie Munger. Let's read. Charlie Munger says he wishes cryptocurrencies had never been invented and admires China for banning them. Yeah, this is where we're at. Okay. So I'm not going to read the whole thing here, but there's a few quotes. I wish they'd never been invented. I admire the Chinese. I think they made a correct decision, which was to simply ban them. Of course, I hate the Bitcoin success. I don't welcome a currency that's so useful to kidnappers and extortionists and so forth, nor do I like just shuffling out of your extra billions of billions of dollars to somebody who just invented a new financial product out of thin air. I think I should say modestly that the whole damn development is disgusting and contrary to the investments of civilization. It's really kind of an artificial substitute for gold, and since I never buy any gold, I never buy any Bitcoin. Bitcoin reminds me of what Oscar Wilde said about fox hunting. He said it was the pursuit of the uneatable by the unspeakable. Yep. Big time boomer, yeah. I was just going to say, straight up boomer talk here. So, yeah, these two guys, Buffett and Munger, are, some of the most respected and arguably, some of the best investors ever to live. But for some reason, they just can't come around the idea of cryptos. Like, still, even it's booming, and they just go, stupid, stupid, stupid. And I don't know if they're just stubborn or what. They don't like disruption in this space. But it's amazing, Like, these are highly respectable investors, and they still can't get around to the idea of crypto. I mean, everyone else is. All the institutions are, CEOs of financial companies, even Jamie Dimon's come around. So, hey, they're going to take the stance to the grave with them. Not much longer. This guy's 97. I don't know how old Buffett is. I think he's 90-something too, but Munger's 97. And, yep, they're going to be hating on crypto till the grave. But, yeah, it's just amazing. And it's like, this is a very hard stance, too. Like, I don't know. They sound jealous. So, yeah, he has some points here. It is used for some corrupt activities, but that's a very broad generalization of cryptocurrencies. And, he didn't mention anything about people distrusting central banks and the government holding your money for you, and would rather buy Bitcoin, where it's a global currency. So, yeah. It's disgusting and contrary to the interest of civilization. Highly, highly disagree. It's very in tune with the interest of civilization, specifically the retail investor, the people. It's not in the interest of governments, so yeah, and institutions, so I get that. That's why he doesn't like it. But no, it definitely serves the interest of civilization. Globally, the little guy. So yeah, damn boomer talk. No one cares. You should make separate video for DocuSign on YouTube. There are also many YOLO Wall Street bets today. Okay. So, yeah. It kind of sucks I didn't have the chance to see the Wallstreetbets YOLOs. But if there really are that much, and it sounds like there are, I'll definitely make a separate video for the YOLOs. For the TA, it's going to go together. But honestly, we may not even do AMC. Because, it's really not that bad. Only down 5%. How about stock LGVN for short term? Elon should send them some dog coins. Yeah, let's send them some sheep. Send them some what's that one? Dog Elon Mars? Doge Elon Mars? Yeah, just as a joke. Troll him. All right, Monir. Yeah, we'll get to that shortly. I'm gonna look at. I think Marvin asked for LCGY and then LGVN. All right, we'll look at those shortly, like right now. Oops. And let me just. Do you guys want me to do TA on AMC? Because I was going to do it. It was down 10% earlier. Now it's only down 5%. I really would not. I'd rather not talk about AMC. But if you guys want me to, then sure, we'll do it. But, yeah. Yes or no? Should I do TA on AMC or just skip it today? What's up, iMixmaster? Appreciate you for being here, dude. My finance team coins, send them that. Yeah, the thing that's up 900 million% today, right? I just saw that. Insane stuff. I don't even know what it is, but that is insane. 900 million% right now. Now someone should just make a Munger coin or a Buffett coin or something and send it to them just as a joke. Boomer coin. I think that's actually a thing. Boomer coin. Make a boomer coin, send it to them as a joke. That'd be pretty funny. All right, guys. So yeah, that is all the articles for today. Good stuff, good stuff. So let's get on to the TA now. Crazy scams in crypto? Yeah, I mean, it's nothing new, nothing new. The scams have just evolved over the years. You know, back a couple of years ago, it was the whole ICO craze. Those were the scams. Now it's meme coins. Now it's dog coins and squid coins and whatever stupid meme coins there are. So yeah, a lot of crypto is a scam, straight up. Boomer coin is the one. I think that's a legit thing, boomer coin. But if it's not, someone should make it. All right, 1 second, guys. Let me pull up TD here, and we'll get into the TA. All right, Marvin wants to see AMC. All right, we could do AMC because it was number 1 on StockTwits anyway. So it's definitely going to get a lot of views. But, you know, there's nothing really new to say. It's just bleeding. And we covered quite a bit already. But yeah, sure, we can do AMC again. All right, so what are we looking at? We're looking at LCGY and then LGVN. LCGY. Is that a crypto, Marvin? LGCY? I don't see LGCY here. Or maybe a typo. All right, we'll do LGVN first. Yeah, it's not coming up, Marvin, so not sure if that's a crypto or you made a typo there. Bring back the good old days of your BitConnects. Yeah, I totally forgot about that. Yeah, that was the scam, BitConnect. Oh. Don't know why it's lagging here. Not getting too many frames. The internet's not good right now or something. That's all right. It's a crypto. All right. So I guess I got to get on to a trading view for that. So sure. Let's just do LGVN first. So yeah, it's for you, Monir. So LGVN. Okay, well the RSI is at 55, so that's pretty average there. Looks like some healthy pullback. Oh, this is Longeveron. I talked about this not too long ago. Was there a gap here? There might have been a gap. Yeah, there was a gap. Really hard to see, but there was a gap at like 320. So, I mean, it may never come back down to 320, but there is a gap there, so that's pretty scary. Honestly, it kind of looks bullish to me here. Besides the gap up there at $3, this kind of looks like a bull flag is forming, the flagpole, and here's the flag forming here. or it looks like a cup and handle too. Either way, both leg or cup and handle, they're both bullish right now. So if it's a cup and handle, it means it could come back to 42, 45. And if it's a bull flag, that means it could break out and go even higher than that. You know, and it pulled back pretty healthy pullback here. RSI is pretty average, so just off the chart here, it does look pretty bullish, I'm not going to lie. Still pretty risky because, you know, this pumped up so quick, so fast. But honestly, just going off the TA, it does look pretty bullish, I have to admit. So I'm not quite sure if you're in or you want to get in, Monir, but it definitely does look bullish in the short term, I would say. Which is crazy. But that gap at $3 does scare me a lot. It could come back to 3, but it looks pretty unlikely. But you never know. So yeah, short term I would say looks pretty bullish. Not financial advice. So I hope that answers your question, Monir. And let me pull up TradingView, and let's look at LCGY. 1 second. Gonna mute here while the siren passes and I pull up TradingView. Did I get that right? LCGY. I think it's not coming up. LCGY. Is that a typo, Marvin? It's not even coming up for crypto either. Interesting. I don't know what's up, man. Yeah, you're welcome, Monir. Yeah, I don't know what's up, Marvin. Please clarify. Did you make a typo or I don't know. It's not coming up on TradingView. Maybe TradingView doesn't have it yet. Oops. But all right, let's move on to the analysis today, and maybe we can take a look at that later if we figure out what's going on there. LGCY. All right, damn, I just closed it down. All right, give me 1 second. Let me pull it back up. Damn, I literally just closed it too. All right, that's no problem. LGCY. This is it? This is pegged to wrapped ether. So I don't know. It's probably not a good chart. LGCY. I don't know if I should analyze this, because apparently it's It's trading to wrapped ether, not US dollars. So I can analyze this chart here, pegged to wrapped ether, but I don't know how accurate it's going to be. But that's the only thing there is on TradingView here. Is this the right one? This is like 0.000. Anyway, alright. Or I guess, let me open this one that you just linked. Why is this one in US Tether? Yeah. Oh, it doesn't exist. Huh, okay. Well, that's interesting. So it's kind of the same thing. Alright, that's fine. It's kind of the same thing. So RSI is pretty low, 36. So looks like it could be a good buying opportunity pretty soon. I don't know why there's a gap here. That's very interesting. Usually cryptos do not gap, but there's a gap right here at 26652. And it does look like it's consolidating. It's new. I mean, we have a few months of data here. This does look like it's consolidating. Can I draw here? Yes. See? And can draw another one like down here. So, yeah. It does look like it's consolidating here. So that's pretty good. It's not a symmetrical triangle. This is a ascending wedge here. So that's pretty bullish. Although this kind of looks like a bear flag here, that's kind of scary. So it could go lower in the short term. But, you know, RSI is pretty low. Ascending triangle here. May still have more downside potential, but it does look like a pretty decent entry already. I don't have support and resistance here, but looks like 17 is very strong support. What's it at now? And right here is already pretty strong. It's holding up pretty well here at 19. But it looks like 17 is also very strong support. So honestly, 19 is not a bad entry. And if it pulls back, then you could do 17. So I would say it still looks like it's gonna pull back in the short term, but this is a good time to buy in. 19 and 17-ish, I would say. So not financial advice, but yeah, I really don't know much about this. But chart looks pretty decent. Chart looks pretty decent here. Personally, I would say not yet, but very soon look to buy in here. Are you in it, or are you looking to get in, Marvin? But interesting stuff. So I hope that helps you out, dude. All right, on to the TA. Monir, did you change your picture? That's a different picture, dude. That's pretty cool. Stock Marathon? That's not a good one, huh? Let's see. not in, but for short term. Honestly, it just trades like crypto. So, personally, I would just rather go for Bitcoin than Marathon. But yeah, honestly, it doesn't look. This is a head and shoulders right here. You see, here's the shoulder, the cock and balls, like I like to say. It's called head and shoulders. I call it cock and balls. Here's one shoulder or one ball, and here's the head, and here's the other shoulder. So that's bearish indicator. It's already breaking to the downside, which is what typically happens in the head and shoulders. RSI is at 37, so getting pretty over sold and undervalued. And there is a gap here. There's a gap at 26, 25, 26-ish. That's pretty scary. Could come back down there. So short term, I would say it looks bearish to me. It may come back as low as 25. But yeah, this is a crypto stock, you know. So personally, I think it's better just to go for Bitcoin than Riot or Marathon or Coinbase or whatever. But short term, it does look bearish to me. You know, not financial advice, but pretty scary stuff. Head and shoulders and gap up here. So it should keep pulling back in the short term. Don't know how low it's going to go, but I would say don't buy in just yet. So I hope that helps you out, dude. Oh, I'm going to pay in. So I think you're saying you're not in it yet, Marvin. But yeah, it looks like a pretty good buy pretty soon. What's up, Busy Bone? Appreciate you for being here, dude. As always, please smash the like button, guys. Would appreciate that. Damn, I was thinking of getting CFVI yesterday when I found it. Is it going to take off? Well, we'll discuss it third today, so stay tuned for that. But, no, honestly, dude, and maybe I'm being a little biased here, but, and this has nothing to do with my political opinions, all right? I'm on your side, dude. But, you know, this is a SPAC. You know how I feel about these SPACs. They're all pump and dumps. Usually what happens is they announce the merger, it moons, then when the merger actually goes through, it's a straight dump. So I'm expecting it to happen with DWAC. I'm expecting it to happen here. So, I mean, in the short term, it definitely could keep pumping. But I would just be very, very careful. I personally would not buy this right now. You know, RSI is at 97. You really can't get any higher than that. Not too much higher. And there's a gap up at 980. So it could come back down to 980. Good chance of that. But yeah, stick around, dude, and we'll get to this third, and I'll do like a full analysis on it. But yeah, you know, personally, I don't like it, dude. I don't like it. I think you missed the boat on it. Happened with AGC. AGC grab, dumped. Yeah, it's all, every single SPAC. It's the same thing. You know, when the merger gets announced, they moon, and then the merger goes through, it tanks. And they all look the same, too. Like, it's this flat line, pump, and then dump below, like, the original, like, whatever this is, $10, like what it was trading at before the merger. So, yeah, I've seen this stuff over and over again. You know, it's just straight up gambling. Let's put it that way. It is straight up gambling. So I'm not going to say don't go long, but it usually doesn't end well. But yeah, but stay tuned, dude. We'll get to this. All right. So AMC. Cool. All right, let's do it, guys. So once again, today we're going to do AMC, DOCU, Docusign, and CFVI Rumble. Or it's not Rumble yet. It's CF Acquisition 6 or whatever. All right. Let's do it. So here is AMC. This finishes at $29 today. That is down 4.19%. So earlier in the day, this was down over 10%. So pretty significant recovery here to end the day. Still pretty nasty overall, but hey, there's a bright spot. So there wasn't any news to justify this price action today. This stock has been selling off a lot, generally because of the fears from the new variant, the Omicron variant. Everyone is fearing a lockdown again, and you can't go to the movies when we're locked down. So therefore, AMC can't make any money if that does happen. But let's go ahead and analyze here. And we've been covering this stock quite a bit the past couple of weeks, or the past week. So nothing really has changed, but we'll analyze with this new data we have today. All right. So first of all, this broke out of the symmetrical triangle here to the downside. That is a very bearish indicator. It does look like it's catching some support right now. But usually when something breaks out of a symmetrical triangle like this, it goes into free fall. Sorry about the ambulance, guys. So it does appear like it is catching some support, but I'm not convinced just yet. This still very well could go into free fall. But it is a good sign this is catching support at around 29 here. But yeah, breakout to the downside of the symmetrical triangle. That's a bearish indicator. We also have a gap up at $16, $16.50. There's also a gap up at around $16.50, so that's another bearish indicator. That is telling us this stock could come back down to $16.50 eventually to fill that gap. I definitely did not think that it would ever come back down to $16.50, especially after the squeezed. But right now it is looking like a real possibility. Anything else here? This does look like a possible cup and handle forming here. Top of the cup being around 39 and the bottom being around 25.50. But it's too early to tell if that actually is a cup and handle. But if it is, that would be a bullish indicator. Okay. So right now this is sitting on the support of $29, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 30.90, 31.95, 33.65, 34.80, 36.05, 37.60, 39, 40.20, 41.95, 43.25, 44.60, 46.15, 47.95, 49.55, 51.25, 52.40, 53.90, 55.15, 56.75, 58.05, 59.40, 61.10, 62.35, 65, 68.75, and then the high of 72.62. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 26.75, 24.35, 20.35, 17.30, 16.50, and then 14.10. And there is support below 14.10, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 29, the channels to the upside are decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action if this runs to the upside. However, to the downside, the channels are pretty wide. So expect significant price action to the downside until this hits 14.10. At 14.10, the channels narrow. But from 30.90 down to 14.10, expect significant price action. Which is where this stock is currently trading at. The RSI is currently at 31, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but quickly approaching that. And this did 66 million in volume today, which is below average, so a bit suspicious there. Today's sell-off was not confirmed by the volume. After CFVI for shiz and giggles, can you bring up ACG/grab chart? Yeah, sure, dude. We can look at it actually after this one. Okay. So we've been going over this one for the past week here. Nothing really has changed. So more or less the same. Short term, this does look pretty scary, especially with the outside factors in the world right now, being this new variant and the Fed starting to taper. Got a lot of bearish indicators here. Again, breakout of the symmetrical triangle to the downside and the gap up. But the RSI, but we do have a bullish indicator in the RSI, and the social media sentiment is still very strong. The apes still love AMC. But yeah, in my opinion, right now, this is just way too risky to make a play on. Either way, really. It's definitely not a bad entry at 29. But this gap at 1650 is very, very scary. Especially if we do get locked down, this very well could come back to 1650 and lower. So very unclear what's going to happen in the short term here. But if you want to go long, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that just yet. 29 may even be the bottom, but like I said, too much FUD in the world going on right now, and a lot of bearish indicators here, and very strong bearish indicators here. So I would just hold off for right now, and just observe the price action for a while. if this continues to sell off, then just wait until this starts to catch some support, starts to bottom out, and then come in and make your move. But I really couldn't tell you how low this is going to go. But again, very, very real possibility this goes to 1650 and lower. So if it does come back down to 1650, I think that would be an excellent entry. So I don't like this. So I don't like this entry at $29. I would hold off, see if you can get this for 1650, or when this starts to bottom out. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice. It does look like a pretty good play based on the TA, I have to say, and again based on the outside factors. But I personally will not do that because this is the meme stock. Apes are very strong here, and this could, I'm not going to say squeeze, but it could pump very hard at any moment. So there still is a lot of risk involved going short here. Too risky for me. I wouldn't do it. I don't really believe in shorting these meme stocks. But just based on the TA, it does look like a pretty, you could make a pretty good case for shorting this here. From 29 down to 1650, that would be about, that'd be about what? 40%? That'd be over a 40% downside. So a lot of downside potential, a lot of tendies to be made. So going short here would be I would say, medium risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot, and I could support that. Just understand it is still pretty risky, so please do that at your own risk. But yeah, it looks like a pretty good play to me. I'm just not comfortable with shorting meme stocks. So if you guys want to do it, go ahead. Just please do it at your own risk. Looks like a pretty good play. And I don't mean to offend any AMC apes. I know you guys love AMC, but I'm just reading the chart here, guys. So don't get mad at me. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. Could be a good buying opportunity coming up here. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AMC. All right. No, ACG. That's what we're looking at. Grab is not a thing yet, is it? Oh, it is. All right, so this one is, or AGC. So this one's already over. Yeah. Is it the same price? It is the same price. Well, this was a head and shoulders here. That's not good. That's bearish. Yeah, the low is 10. This is your typical SPAC. So it's below 10 now, which is what usually happens. It goes below the all-time low for the SPAC. Yeah, honestly, I would just stay away from this right now. It's probably going to keep going down. How far, I don't know, but yeah, typically with these SPACs, like I said, after the merger officially goes through, this is what happens. It goes straight timber. And there's really no, it's an all-time low and no support, so really couldn't tell you how far it's going to go down, but it should continue to keep going down. So yeah, I would just hold off, or unless you're still already in here, but I would just hold off and, you know, just observe the price action until this starts to bottom out. Then I would come in. But yeah, this is your typical SPAC here. It's a pump and dump. They pump and then they dump, and then you buy in after they go public, after they merge and go public at a good price, and eventually it'll recover again. But yeah, the SPAC stuff is crazy. They all trade the same way. So, certainly not a bad price, I would say. 9, but again, who knows how low this is going to go. So, I would just chill for now. Wait for a little bit, be patient, and you should be able to get a way better price. I'm not going to say way better price, but a better price. So, hope that helps you out, Busy Bone. All right, let's do DocuSign. Okay, here is DOCU Docusign. This finishes at $135. That is down 42.22%. Give that the BitConnect. So this was one of the major losers today. This was top 10 on StockTwits. This stock got wrecked today. Absolutely disgusting. But there is a reason as to why this went down so much. We had earnings and downgrades. So let's check it out. So yesterday the earnings came out. EPS was 58 cents, which beat the estimate of 46 cents. And the revenue was 545 million, which beat the estimate of 530 million. So actually the earnings were really, really good. Oh, wait a second. But apparently they operated at a net loss. Apparently they lost $5.7 million this quarter. And their guidance for Q4 and for 2022 is below analyst estimates. So it appears like the earnings were good, but looking forward, nobody really thinks this is too valuable. Going forward, the market thinks they're going to underperform. So we have a lot of price downgrades here. JP Morgan is at 175, UBS 170, Piper Sandler 200. What else we got here? Wedbush 200. RBC Capital 220. Wells Fargo 180. Citi is at 231. Yeah, I think that's about it. So, huge price downgrades. But there's really no reason the stock should have went down this much. Everyone is in the high 100s to the low 200s, it appears like. And this stock is down to 135. So, not quite sure why they sold off so much today. It should have sold off, but not this much. But hey, here we are. So yeah, Good earnings, but analysts don't seem to care, and the institutions are pulling all their money here. So down 42% today. Really nasty. So let's go ahead and analyze here. I don't know how far back we should go. Yeah, we'll just stick on the 1-year chart. Okay. Let me just readjust this one here. All right. So right now this is sitting on the support of 135, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels... Oh, wait. Why are we doing support and resistance? My bad. We got to do the indicators first. All right. It's coming. The only thing I really see here is gap down, though. One second, guys. All right, my apologies. So, first of all, we do have a gap down at... What is this? Come on. So first of all, we do have a gap down at 228. So that would be a bullish indicator that is telling us the stock should come back up to 228 eventually to fill that gap. Maybe a while, but usually the gaps do fill. So yeah, bullish indicator there. This should come back up to 228 eventually. All right. So right now this is trading. So right now this is sitting on the support of 135, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 143, 152, 162, 176, 177, 182, 187, 190, 192, 196, 200, 203, 210, 213, 216, 220, 225, 229, 233, 237, 243, 248, 254, 258, 262, 268, 271, 275, 278, 281, 285, 289, 294, 299, 302, 305, 311, and then the high of 315. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support I guess we'll stop at 100. Next levels of support, and we're going back 3 years here. Would be 127, 117, 108, and then 100. And there is support below 100, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Damn. So right now at this current price, 135, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 182 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 182 to the upside. But if this continues to the downside, that's going to be really bad. A lot of price action to the downside. RSI is currently at 14, so that is extremely undervalued, extremely oversold. So this could be a great buying opportunity. Not financial advice. And this did 76 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Is that biggest volume day ever? No, not biggest volume day ever, but biggest volume day of the year. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys. So just my opinion, not financial advice. This definitely is a good buying opportunity. 135 is already a really good price, but honestly, you should be able to get a better one. How far this is going to go down, I'm not sure, but there does still appear to be a decent amount of downside potential. So, again, a lot of bullish indicators. Gap down at 228, very low RSI, and the institutions do think this is worth more than the current price, 135. I think the average is somewhere in the 200s, the low 200s. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, I can't blame you if you want to buy in right here at 135. That's already an excellent price, but it should keep pulling back a little bit more. So you can either buy in here at 135 and average down at the supports that I mentioned before, or you could just hold off a little more and see when this starts to bottom out and then come in and make your move. It probably won't go down too much lower, but you should be able to get a better price if you're a little patient here. But yeah, I would support going long at this current price, 135 or lower. Very good buying opportunity here. How much upside is here? There's a good amount of upside here. Yeah, from 135 up to 228, that's a lot of upside potential. So a lot of 10 needs to be made. This looks like an excellent buy to me. Not financial advice. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice. I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Really no reason to do that. You should be able to make a little bit of money, but because there is still more downside potential, but it's just way too risky. You already missed your chance for going short. You should have went short earlier today before this massive dump. And at this point, there's really not too many tinnies to be made to the downside, and a lot of upside potential, a lot of bullish indicators. So going short here would be a high risk, low reward play. Really not too smart. Doesn't make too much sense. So yeah, it really, there's really no reason to go short here. Probably gonna lose a lot of money if you do that. So yeah, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Doesn't seem too smart. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. Like I said, looks like an excellent buying opportunity, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is DOCU Docusign. All right. Last one, CFVI. So here is CFVI, CF Acquisition Corp 6, or Rumble. This finishes at $11.90 today. That is up 12.48%. So we talked about this stock yesterday. This went nuts because they announced their merger with Rumble. So the stock squeezed up to $14.38, the high. And today the stock was pulling back. But in the middle of the day, we did get some good PR. So let's check that out. So the news was that the CEO confirmed a partnership with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. Donald Trump's SPAC, which is going to merge with, what's it called? Social Truth or Truth Social. So that was great PR. Apes loved it. And this was in the red. But after the PR dropped, everyone started buying in. And the stock finishes up 12.5% today. So PR really saved the stock today, in all honesty. But yeah, let's go ahead and analyze here. And we did do this one yesterday, and not much has changed. But, so more or less the same. But yeah, we do have a gap up at 980. So that is a bearish indicator that is telling us this stock should come back down to 980 eventually to fill this gap. Okay. So right now this is, all right, whatever. So right now this is sitting on the support of 1190, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1230, 14, and then the high of 1440. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1060, 1035, 1010, $10, 990, 980, 975, and then the low of 965. So right now at this current price, 1190, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 10-10 to the downside, the channels start to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 10-10. RSI is currently at 97, so that is extremely overbought and extremely overvalued. So be careful, guys. And this did 44 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. And this is going up in the aftermarket here, up to 1240. So that is a bullish indicator that is telling us on Monday, when the stock starts to trade again, it should keep running to the upside. Okay, guys. So just my opinion, not financial advice. This may still have more run. This may still have more upside potential in the short term, in the very short term, as in like the next few days. But ultimately, this probably will pull back down to 980 to fill the gap and lower. I've seen this SPAC stuff a lot. And generally what happens is after the merger gets announced, the stock moons and it slowly bleeds down until the merger goes through. And once the merger goes through, it usually takes a huge dump. So we have a lot of bearish indicators here. Gap up, high RSI, and volume. The only bullish indicators we have is the aftermarket action here, which is only relevant in the very short term, and the strong social media sentiment, which will have to fade eventually. So maybe in the next few days, this will continue to run to the upside. But in the short term, this probably will pull back pretty hard here. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Way too risky for my liking. Like I said, a lot of bearish indicators here. But this may still have more upside potential in the coming days here. So if you want to go long, please do that at your own risk. I really think it's a bad idea. But I'm not going to tell you guys not to do it. Just understand, if you want to go long, it is a straight up gamble at this point. And if you do manage to make money going long here, please hit the sell button, because eventually this probably will come back down. Below $10. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, well, yeah, going long here would be a high risk, high reward play, I would say. So, again, too risky for my liking. But it could pay off. Just understand it is a gamble, and you do have to hit the sell button very soon. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty good play to me. Maybe not yet, but if you go short here and you hold for a little bit, you should be able to make a lot of money. Well, I'm not going to say a lot of money, but this should come back down to 980 and lower. So I would say don't go short just yet. Wait until the end of Monday, because it does appear like it will keep going up on Monday. So after all the crazy price action is over with on Monday, then I think that would be a good entry. What's up, Educated Fool? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. There's a $40 price target out there for CFVI out there. From who? I mean, in the longer term, definitely it should go up. But I'm talking about short term here. Chart looks crazy. Okay. You know what? I take it back. Going short is not an excellent play, but yeah, going short is a pretty good play here. From this current price, 1190 down to 980. That's about a 15% downside. So not the most attendees in the world, but pretty good amount. And if you hold it for the longer term, and I do predict this to go a lot lower than 980 once the merger does go through, just based on my experience with SPACs in general. And if this continues to pump through Monday, which it should, right now it's trading at 1260 in the aftermarket. So that would be yeah, we're not going to get that complicated. Yeah, going short is a decent play here. You should be able to make at least 15% to the downside. Not the most money in the world, but decent play. And I would say relatively safe. Not just yet, but yeah, I would say if you go short on Monday, at the end of the day, you should be able to make at least 20% to the downside with relatively low risk. So it's not the sexiest play in the world, but medium reward, low risk play, I would say, going short here. There definitely are better plays out there in the market on the short side, but seems like an easy 20%, I would say. So I would support going short. Not yet, but at the end of Monday, I would say. Okay. Yeah, again, really, really bearish indicators here. So this should come back down pretty hard in the relative short term here. So congratulations to everyone who made money on the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice, but according to the chart, this looks like it's going to crash pretty hard. So secure the gains, guys. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is CFVI, CF Acquisition Corp 6, or Rumble. Okay. So, yeah, that was kind of not the best TA, guys. I don't have my A game here today. Still a little hungover from yesterday, honestly. But, yep, that's the boring part. We're through all of that. And, yeah, we're on to the Yolos now, which we're going to wing because I don't have anything planned. So, yeah, my bad, guys. Pretty unprepared for today's show. But if you guys want, you can look at the Yolos and post them here, and we'll go over them. If not, I'm just going to wing it. But it appears like there's a lot of DocuSign Yolos, so I'm going to try to look for as many DocuSign Yolos as I can. It was on Seeking Alpha? Okay. So, yeah, I don't really trust that price target because Seeking Alpha is not a hedge fund. It's a web subscription. So, yeah, anything by, like, Motley Fool or Seeking Alpha is usually not too realistic, unfortunately. I mean, I do think it definitely has the potential to go to 40 eventually, like, in the long term, but short term is probably going to go back below 10, and going to be a while before it hits 40. But appreciate you, dude. And please smash the like button, guys. How many people still in here? All right, not too many people in here. That's all right. It says 3, but probably a little more than that. So let's get to Wallstreetbets. And yeah, like I said, I'm just going to wing it. So I welcome all the Welcome any Yolos, guys, if you want to post it here. J. Powell memes. Alright, where are the, Okay. Well, here's a good one on Tesla. But let's see if there's any DocuSign. Alright, so here's one DocuSign. It may have gotten deleted, though. Here's a $30 YOLO on DocuSign. That's hilarious. Alright, Low Roller has one here. Let's open that one up. Always trust Buffett. Yeah, I got this meme, right? Where's my meme? Buy the effing dip. This one is buy the dip. Can't say the word. You can filter by flares on the right side of the page. That's alright. There's probably not too much here. I'm just really looking for the DocuSign YOLOs. Alright, here's one. Here's a few. Here we go. Yeah, there's a bunch of these like lottery ticket YOLOs. I'm looking for the bigger ones, but I'll open them anyway. And thank you guys a lot for staying till the end of the show. You guys are the real ones. And again, my apologies for not being prepared today. So yeah, really appreciate you guys for sticking around. I think that's most of the DocuSign YOLOs. Yeah, it looks like it. So damn slow. Oh, here's another one. So this is probably going to be its own video, since there's so many DocuSign YOLOs here. Another one. Wow. There's actually quite a bit. Alright. So that should do it. That's all the YOLOs for today. Cool. There's a few good ones here too, but we're gonna stick with DocuSign. All right, let's check it out. Well, I mean, this Tesla one is pretty insane. Let's start off with this Tesla one. Yeah, this 420K, lol. So it's like a super meme. I just dropped 420K on 850 Tesla calls and FDs. You gotta be kidding me. If Tesla announces a split on 12/9, I retire. Wow, okay. So, I certainly hope we can afford to lose this. Yeah, this is a straight up... Don't do this, guys. You know, if you're gonna do this, invest money you can afford to lose. This isn't even an investment. But only do this if you can afford to lose the money. So, 420K YOLO. Lol. Super meme. Now this is what you call ape diversification here. Because he has, his diversification is different strikes and expirations. So we got, I'm not sure how many, but yeah, calls for December 10th, 1150 strike, and 1250 strike, and then calls for December 17th, 1515. Damn, what the hell? That is really out there. And then one for January 21st, 2022 for 1400. So these are way, way out of the money. Yeah, this is super, super FD YOLO stuff. I don't know. Wow. Oh, he had 100, yeah, 100, 200, 400, and 115. So, yeah, this is crazy. Pretty bad play if you ask me. Even if it does split, I'm not sure it's going to go to 1500 or 1400. But hey, this is great content, great Wallstreetbets content, and certainly hope it works out. But there's a good chance he's going to lose 420K here. This is insane. This is absolutely insane. This is by glide outside. Lol. Check out some comments here. Not getting many frames. You're not supposed to go full R-tard. This is beyond full R-tard. So it'll print. Jesus Christ, OP, are you okay? Seriously? Are you independent wealthy enough to care? Independently wealthy enough not to understand how this works and not care? Yeah, I don't know. Certainly hope I'm rooting for this guy. Certainly hope it works out, but this is just insane. If this works, he's gonna be a legend, straight up legend. But it seems like he can afford to take the loss. So I guess, I guess, sure, it's a straight up gamble. Great stuff. Great stuff. Definitely need an update on this. So glad outside. Thanks for posting. Good luck, dude. You're gonna need it. I'm rooting for you, and please post updates. All right, let me quickly scroll through these DocuSign YOLOs. Because some of them aren't that great, and some of them are better. Wow. $30 YOLO here. All right, that's a good one. I'll keep this one. $15,000% return. Insane. $19K. That's pretty impressive. 170 to 19K. That is pretty damn impressive. This is Alibaba. Wow. So, yeah, this one's an Alibaba YOLO. This guy's down $730,000 on Alibaba. Insane. Insane. He lost 200K today on Alibaba. That is sick. So, yep. The Alibaba go continues. But that's a noteworthy one. I don't know why the frames are so low right now. Okay. So I'll do these. My apologies, guys. I should have done this in advance. Just didn't have time to do it. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. All right, I guess we'll do all of them. But some of these are just straight up lottery tickets. All right, let's do it, guys. See if I can get some more frames. All right, that looks fine. Cool. All right, guys. Yeah, so my apologies. Took a little while to load this all up. But we have a lot of DocuSign Yolos here. Fun stuff, so let's do it. Hope a lot of people are still here. Let me check. How many people still in here? Says 3 people. I appreciate you guys. You guys are the real MVPs. So this is probably going to be its own video because there's a lot of good content here. All right. So yeah, we got all DocuSign YOLOs today. All DocuSign YOLOs. 7 of them. But some of these are better than others. But yeah, let's check it out. So this first one is by Deleted. So whoever posted this does not exist anymore. Their account does not exist anymore. So I can't give credit. But yeah, they say DocuSign YOLO update 777,000. All right, let's just round it. $778,000 in gains here. Okay. This is nuts. So this was a $14,500 YOLO for DocuSign. 100 calls expiring today, December 3rd, and these were bought yesterday, December 2nd. So super FD YOLO here. Really can't get too much more FD than this. Okay. What's going on here? Sure. I don't know if it's that much. It says 600 here. Oh, I see what happened. And then he actually loaded more. And then he bought 30 more for 15.3K, $15,000, $300, $1,500, $3,000. Same strike, $220 put. This is really confusing. All right. So, I get it now. So, the first play was 100 puts for the 200 strike expiring tomorrow. Or, excuse me, expiring today, December 3rd. So that, yeah, $14,500 YOLO. And then he loaded even more, $220 puts, 30 of those for $15,300. At the, $220 strike, $220 strike. So in total, he's in for $30,000 approximately. Then he sold. Then he sold his $220 puts for $219,000. So do what? So that's over a $205,000 gain there. And then he sold the rest of his puts. 100 puts at the $200 strike for approximately $590K. So that was a profit of about $173,000 there. Or $573,000. So, yeah, very confusing to read this. But yeah. Pretty much he was in for $30,000 and out for $780,000. Insane stuff. So yeah, guys, this is absolutely insane. He risked $30,000 on lottery tickets pretty much, and somehow they hit, and he cashed out $780,000 in a day here. Absolutely nuts. Now, this is not typical, guys. So, I don't encourage you guys to do this, but sometimes it works. And, yeah, this guy got extremely lucky. So, I wish I could give credit where it's due, but he deleted his account. So, yeah. Deleted. Thanks for posting. Great content. Congratulations to you, man. This is absolutely nuts. And yeah, enjoy the tendies, dude. You are a legend. And we don't even know who it is. This is crazy. That was a lot to get through. Very hard to read there. Okay. So this one is by But Iram. Okay. They say DocuSign just gave me the best early gain, 121K to 852K. Okay. So here we have a bunch of FDs. 92 puts for the 230 strike expiring today, December 3rd. And then another 30 at the 235 strike expiring today, December 3rd. How much did this cost? So yeah, it was a $121 It was a $121,000 YOLO. And he cashed them all out here for 852K. Insane, insane. DocuSign, it is ape of the year. It is way better than GameStop YOLO. Not sure about that. GME was pretty insane, but this is something else too. The guy should retire, trade stock options since it is almost Christmas. What happened? It didn't cash out. He's multi-millionaire. It did cash out. It expired. It expired. It's over. Can you look? DocuSign contract expire. Price end of the day. Should he be multi-millionaire? Sure, dude. So, not sure what strikes they were, but 200, like 220. Yeah, so right now it's like 6,500 bucks at the 200 strike. 8,500 at the 220 strike. Like 10,000 at the 235 strike. So, I don't know if he's a multimillionaire, but yeah, they're worth a lot here. And yeah, this is pretty straightforward. So another one, don't recommend doing this, guys. This is insane. Super FD. Not sure when these were bought, but yeah, super FDs. That is insane. Risking 121K on FDs like this, like way out of the money. But yeah, it worked out. I mean, what did it start at today? Wow. Yeah, so the strikes weren't actually that bad. 230 and 235 were pretty good strikes. They were pretty much at the money. But, damn. Yeah, 44% loss, and Christmas came early. Crazy stuff. All that's left is to do now is just to wait for the government to take their cut. Yeah, Uncle Sam got to take his cut. And that's big capital gains taxes there. That's like probably 50%. Probably 50%, honestly. Like 40 to 50%. Because he's in that tax bracket now. So 852K is really like 400K. Hey, great stuff. So yeah, good strikes, bad expiration, and good timing. So this actually wasn't the super, like, the craziest FD in the world, but just a major loss. Well, major loss for DocuSign, and these printed today. 30%, not worth the risk. I think it's more than 30% because of the absurdity of how much he gained here. So short-term capital gains is 30%, yeah. But I think if you make above a certain amount, it goes above that. I've never made this much in a year, so I wouldn't know. But not worth the risk. Well, that's what I'm saying. This is insane. Don't do this, guys. 121K. How you can just YOLO this in a day is beyond me. But hey, this is Wallstreetbets here. 30% is capital. 30% capital gains is max, I thought. Yeah. It depends on your tax bracket, I'm pretty sure. It's usually around 30%. But I think once you make past a certain point, it's more than that. But like I usually pay around 30% for short-term capital gains. Got to double check because one of my friends said he pays around 40 or 50%. So not too quite sure on the tax laws, but I think it does go up the more you make. But yeah, either way, this is insane stuff. The price is $80. He sold at $43. He's multi-million-dollar today. He sold at $43 on the options. So he could have made a lot more, is what you're saying? 50% get out of here? Yeah. Well, crazy stuff, crazy stuff. But, well done. I love this. Great content, great post, man. So, But Iram, thanks for posting. Great content. Congratulations to you. Enjoy the tendies, dude. Way too risky for my liking, but hey. It paid off here. Your friend needed to move out of New York? Yeah, I totally agree. Me too. Alright, this one is by Cyber Abadi. They say DocuSign gains almost break even for the year. So even after this massive gain, which I don't even know what it is yet, but even after this gain corn, he's still not up on the year. Crazy. State capital gains is total BS. Oh, I think that's what it was. Yeah. It's federal 30%, and then you got to pay state on top of that. So, yeah, New York is a military state. That's what it was. Yeah, that's what it was. I remember now. Yeah, so it's 30%. So it probably doesn't apply to that guy, but yeah. You got to pay 30% on top of extra tax. State capital gains. Crazy stuff. Yeah, New York and California, military states here. All right, anyway. So this one. Why are there so many pages? This is crazy. What's hilarious is that, yeah, this is his portfolio. Somehow he's still down $6,000 on the year. But he's almost break even. It's pretty sad. Imagine if it did not hit. He'd be in a lot of trouble right now if this did not hit. Okay, so there was two different plays here. First one is 7 puts at the 210 strike expiring today, December 3rd. So this was a 2K YOLO. This was a 2K YOLO, and right now he's up over 39K. 1,832%. So that's the first play. And here's the second play. So this one is 3 puts for the 230 strike. Same thing expiring today. And this one was a same thing, about a $2,000 YOLO, and he's up $21,000 on this one, 742%. Jesse Pinkman, thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. CFVI Rocket. Yep. Give that the rocket. Just be careful, dude, because I did a TA on that earlier. You can rewind and see it if you want. But, you know, the chart's looking pretty insane. Chart is looking pretty bearish. High RSI and gap up and all that good stuff. So, you know, if you're up a lot, I recommend just cashing out pretty soon, you know. Definitely not a long-term hold. I would definitely hit the sell button pretty soon here, within the next week. Because it's going to have to pull back eventually. But appreciate you for being here, dude. It is going nuts right now, and probably will keep mooning on Monday. Alright, so all in all, what is this? 40K. 20K. So all in all, he's in for like 4K and out for 60K. Insane gains here. And so hey, so Cyber Abadi, thanks for posting. Great content. You definitely belong here, dude. I don't see how you can make 60K in a day and still be down for the year. That is insane. So I wonder what he did to lose all that money in the first place. It's this, obviously. Buying FDs. So, you know, story of a gambling addict. Definitely belongs here. Great stuff, great stuff. So, at this point, I just recommend not chucking all your profits back into more FD YOLOs, because you can lose all this money right back. You probably will if you do that. So, yeah, extremely impressed when I saw the gains. Damn near spit out my coffee when I saw your all-time chart. You belong here. Damn right. Cyber can't trade for 90 days. Well, he got locked out of, he got marked as day trader or something. That shouldn't matter, because he's, oh, because he was below 25K, that's why. He was below 25K, and now he just made 60K, so he's no longer, but now it shouldn't matter anymore, because he's over 25K, so he's not a day trader anymore. But he couldn't trade for 90 days because he was flagged as a day trader. But now he can, because he's over 25K. That's what happened there. FD's on MMAT? Yeah, and every other meme stock. Alright, this one is by Mingus CHRL. Okay. Measly DocuSign gains in comparison. But yeah, this is pretty brolic. $170 to 19K. Wow. So here we got, I don't know. It's probably not going to go in its own video, honestly, guys, because this stuff is just very hard to follow along with. But, you know, cool to see it here. All right, I see. So, yeah, this was a... So this is for 5 calls. No, 5 puts, 180 strike. Expiring today, December 3rd. So, Super FD. So, these are literally lottery tickets. 5 calls, $135. 5 puts, $135. And, you know, by some miracle, this actually went below 180. And, yeah. In for 135, out for 19,000. He should suspend his account for 90 days so he wouldn't YOLO his account again. He should suspend his own account for 90 days? Yeah, probably. That's a good idea. Or, you know, just take it out of your account. So, yeah, that guy's definitely a gambling addict there. And I would not be surprised if he loses all his money right back. But yeah, back to this one. So, yeah. $19,000 gain, which is 11,259%. Insane gains here. So, the chances of this happening was probably close to 0. Probably like literally 1%. Delta was probably 1% here. $180. So this wasn't this is way more insane than the other gains here, because they had like $230 puts, which is like, you know, that was like a pretty good strike price. Those were like at the money strikes. This guy thought it was going to go down 40%. Really? Not 40, but like 30% in a day. The hell? These are literal lottery tickets here. This is insanity. So, damn. 1,100% gain, 11,000% gain in a day. Wow. Absolutely nuts. How do you predict shiz like this? You don't. It's lottery tickets. He didn't. He was just gambling. He should YOLO into those boomer funds. That'd be smart. Into SPY or something. Yeah, ETFs. Be smart with it. But, you know, but he wouldn't belong here if he did that. Oh, honestly, you don't predict it. I missed out on C19. Just wanted to complete the trilogy. So this was a straight up gamble. He admitted it. Crazy stuff. But great stuff, yeah. Mingus CRHAL, thanks for posting. Insane play here. I think we can all agree this was a terrible play. But, yeah, this was a lottery ticket, and somehow he hit. You know, someone has to hit the lottery. So, today it was you. Congrats, man. All right, this one by Nomad0010. First Wallstreetbets gain post, 15,000% return. Holy crap. So here's another lottery ticket. This was one put. DocuSign, 180 strike, expiring today. Geez, how much was this one? 13. Yeah, this is literally a $30 YOLO. Literally a $30 YOLO. So he's in for $30 and out for $4,200. 13,500% gain. What the hell? This is insanity. This is absolute insanity. What the actual hell? Wow. Lottery tickets. This is the exact same play as the other guy. Except he only bought one and not 5 of them. So this is just like the other guy at a smaller scale here. But very impressive, very impressive. Really bad play, but hey, you also hit the lottery today. So congrats to you. That's insane. $30 into $4,200 in a day. What the hell? Okay. All right, so, yep, Nomad0010, thanks for posting. Crazy play, but congrats to you, man. You hit the lottery, and enjoy the tendies. Wish I had that kind of luck. Yeah, I know, right? No, this is pure luck. This is absolutely pure luck here. Didn't know you were still here, Pizzy. Thanks for sticking around. Appreciate you, dude. Yeah, all this is insane. Like, this is not typical, guys. This will probably never happen to you in your lifetime. But hey, this is why we love Wallstreetbets. These are just straight up lottery tickets. All right, 2 more. By Eddie Darkness 19. Not that bad from $60 lotto put to $3,500 overnight. Thank you, DocuSign. So, let's see here. Yeah, not sure what the strike is, but pretty much the same thing. Oh, this was a $190 put. So pretty much the same thing. One call, one put, $190 strike expiring today. $60 in, $3,500 out. So this isn't as good as the other guys, but yeah, this one was for 5,800%. Wow. Wow. So this one is not as risky. He paid a little bit more. He didn't pay 30. He paid 60 for a better strike. Made a big difference too. The last guy was $10 less, $180 strike, and he made 10,000% more, or 5,000% more. So the difference between 180 strike and 190 strike is 5,000%. Isn't that insane? But yeah, Eddie Darkness 19, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you, dude. You hit the lottery as well. Enjoy the tendies, dude. So most of these DocuSign YOLOs are about, you know, like these lottery ticket gains. Except for those 2 guys in the beginning who just, like, for some reason would YOLO $100,000 on an FD play like that. That's absolutely nuts. The last one by Gems. $15 to $3,300 on DOCU Lottos. At least they know it's all lottery tickets. Damn, this one is 22,000. Holy crap. Baby gains, but gains nonetheless. Hey, I'm jealous of these gains. So we got 5 puts here. Doesn't even say what the strike is. Oh, it's okay. So it's for the 155 strike. What? Hold on. All right, so it did work. So this one was more FD than anyone. This was the super, like everyone else was like $230 strike, 180 strike. This is 155. So yeah, super lotto here. Okay. So 5 puts, 155 strike. Cost $15. So they cost $3 each. Insane. So he's in for 15, out for 3,300. 22,000% gain in a day. What the actual hell? Wow. This is the best one yet. This is the best one yet. It's just sad. It's only $15, but damn. Should have put 100. This is crazy. Literal lottery tickets. So, not as much as the other guys, but this is the best one. The most super FD play here, and somehow it worked out. So, Gems, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you. You hit the super lottery here. And I bet you wish you put more money in, but hey. 15 to 3,300 in a day, not bad at all. All right, one more. But it's 6:30 here. We went for 2.5 hours today. I don't know why it took so long. Probably just a lot of talking in the beginning, and yeah, these Yolos did take a while here because I had to pull it up. If I see 3-cent contract, I will take a chance for $3 YOLO on DocuSign. Yeah, it would have worked out here. All right, last one. 9 minutes ago. So, brand new post here. So, by Electrical Dog 2998. Docu gains 400 to 10K. Thank you for early Christmas. All right. So, this is ape diversification here. 3 puts. 1 for the 270 strike. So, that one was a really in the money play there. Then we got the $200 put. That was a lot more risky. That was one of them, and then 1 for the 190 put. That one expires December 10th. But yeah, this is ape diversification. Different strikes and expirations. Oh, this was a call. 270 call. So that one expired worthless. Okay. So yeah. The big gainer was the 200 and the 190 put here. So yeah, $400 in, 10K out. Insane. Well, it's not exactly 10K. It's 8,800, but still 1,850% gain here. So not as exciting as the other ones, but still pretty good. $1,800 gain, 1,800% gain in a day here. Well done. Usually by itself, this is insane, but some of these other YOLOs we've seen today, what the actual hell? $190 put expires next week. I hope he cash out $190 put. He definitely should cash it out. But it's probably not going back to 190 next week. No matter what, he's okay. Or should be, at least. Imagine this moon's back up above 190 in a week. But yeah, Electrical Dog 2998. Thanks for posting. Congrats to you, dude. Super FDs, but not straight up lottery FDs. So enjoy the tendies, man. Well done. Yeah, this is we just reviewed this guy, Gems. He hit 22,000%. We just saw that one. Huh. All right, guys. So that was the show for today. So honestly, guys, my apologies. I don't think that was the greatest show. But really, really appreciate you guys for sticking around here. I think we did go over a lot of charts though. A lot of people did I did do a lot of charts for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. But yeah, you know, the Yolos didn't go as good as I planned. Took a while to get through that, and I thought there would be some better Yolos. But those were some pretty good Yolos, but hard to sort through. But yeah. So my apologies on that. But, you know, hope you guys enjoyed the show. This whole week we've had some really good shows. Today was probably the worst one out of all of them, but still hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed it, and I appreciate all you guys for sticking around for so long. You know, over 2.5 hours here, so you guys are the real ones. DocuSign is 135. Yeah, so it's not going to go above 190 in a week, or it really shouldn't at least. So I don't think I'm going to put the Yolos in its own video, because that wasn't too good. But I will put the TA in a video very shortly here. But yeah, that's all I got for today, guys. So anything else before we get out of here? Questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything? Hope crypto is holding up pretty well. Yeah, that was some of the crazier Yolos I've seen. Not really dollar amount wise, but just lottery ticket wise. All right. Going once. Going twice. All right, I think that is it, guys. So yeah. So this whole week, great shows. Appreciate you guys. Today was a little bit not up to my liking, but I promise next week it'll be a lot better. But yeah, again, thank you guys a lot. Thank you guys. Thank you to everyone who came in early, and thank you guys to thank you to everyone who stayed till the very end here. Really, really appreciate it. So yeah, hope you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy, and I will see you guys next week. Let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.